Why automate your to-do list?
Automation can make handling your daily tasks faster and more reliable. By using Python, you can create a to-do list that is simple, efficient, and tailored to your needs. Automating your to-do list helps you save time, reduce manual errors, and develop useful programming skills you can apply to other projects.
Setting up what you need.
To get started, you'll need Python installed on your computer. Most computers come with Python pre-installed, but you can download it from the official website if needed. You'll also need a simple text editor, such as Notepad or VS Code, to write and edit your Python script.
Building a simple to-do list script.
Begin by creating a new Python script file. Your script will use a list to store tasks and allow you to add, remove, or view tasks. For example, you can use the input function to prompt the user to enter tasks and basic Python commands to manage your task list.
Adding automation features.
To automate your to-do list, consider enhancing your script. You can schedule it to run at specific times using your operating system's task scheduler. You can also add features like saving your list to a file, marking tasks as complete, or receiving reminders, making your script even more useful.
Expanding your Python skills.
As you become comfortable with your automated to-do list, explore more advanced Python libraries such as Pickle for saving data or Tkinter for building a graphical interface. Each improvement helps you automate other everyday tasks and deepens your understanding of Python programming.